I have the StewMac nut slotting gauge for setting string height, and it came in a really nice plastic case right here that folds down and closes, so you have a case to transport it and a case to store it away and keep it safe because it is a precision instrument. Let's check it out, see how it works.
Turn it on. This goes over top of the fret, and these two go over top of the string that you want to check on. So if you have it, once you have it over top of the string and the fret,
it's zeroed out.
Is it zeroed?
It is zeroed out.
Okay. And you press the strings down on either side.
It says 0.185.
0.185. That's where I wanted it. When I started with this one, it was 0.30.
Just going down little by little.
Yeah, taking my nut files and filing down the nut slot until I got it to about 20 to 18.
And you go real careful from there. So so you've got to actually do research and find out where you want these string heights set to, and then you just use this gauge to set them to it.
Then you set it to your preference. So I kind of set it the way I wanted it, and that's how it came out.
And we always go off the first fret?
Yes, you always go off the first fret with it. You technically could do it on any one and find out what the string height is there.
If you're looking to make sure you have dead on string height to exactly what your specifications are, you want to check out this nut slotting gauge. It's a little bit better than eyeballing it, that's for sure. So it's the StewMac nut slotting gauge. Check it out.